Hey guys, I'm so happy making this video because we are going to see together how to enable integer scaling once and for all on our dear handhelds, the Legion Go and the ROG Ally, which in return greatly improves picture quality and remove blurriness at lower resolution, allowing you to play AAA titles with higher FPS and potentially use higher graphics settings. I want to thank the user Zeno Assassin for sharing the way to do it, also the Serial Monkey for following up with further step-by-step explanation. I combined those steps into this video to further simplify it. So naturally, for this to work, you need to have AMD ADRENALIN control software installed. In desktop, create a new text file. You can name it whatever you want. For example, I'll choose the name integer scaling. At the end, the file extension is txt, but we need to change it to reg, which stands for registry extension. If you are unable to see file extensions, open File Explorer, click on View, then Show, and tick the file name extension option. Go back to the file, change it to reg, press enter, and now open the registry file by using the notepad. Then paste the following key and include it in the video description. Save the file and run it. Now it should do all the magic by itself. Restart the system and there you have it. Integer scaling should show up. Now in order for this feature to work, you need to apply at least half the logical resolution of your display. The ideal will be for Legion Go 1280 by 800 pixels, while for the ROG Ally 960 by 540. Thankfully, the Legion Go has already 800 pixels baked in the system, while for the ROG Ally we need to do some manual changes to get 540 pixels, and we'll get to that shortly. So on AMD ADRENALIN panel, in display settings, enable GPU scaling and choose for scaling mode full panel, and just enable integer scaling. To make sure it's working with it on, if you choose 1920 by 1200 pixel for example, you will get screen only in the middle with black frame all around it. Instead, if you choose 800 pixel, you should get full screen covered. Now with everything set on the Legion Go, let's go ahead to the ROG Ally. I followed the same steps from before for registry changes, but we are going to manually add 540 pixel for the integer scaling to work perfectly. Big thanks to Dang Alang Dingo, I hope I said the name right, for putting together this great guide for adding it. Just open the GitHub link and download the Ally Custom Resolution Extend registry key, run it. Then you can simply restart your Ally. Another way I did is by using Custom Resolution utility. Download it and just run restart64exe. It works by refreshing the GPU driver. It's another way instead of restarting the whole system. When you launch it, the screen goes black for a few seconds. Give it some time and it should be back on. Then go to the display settings in Windows and you will see that it's not yet there, but that's fine. Go to Advanced Display, click on Display Adapter Properties. Here click on List All Modes. Scroll up and you should find it there. Press OK and apply. Now it should switch automatically to that resolution instantly. Even you can check it in the resolution list here. The downside that if you switch back to another resolution, it disappears from the list. But this resolution should also appear in game display settings, so you can set it from there as a workaround. Additionally, I also want to note that you can enable integer scaling on game based. For example, here in Cyberpunk 2077, I applied it on the game specifically instead of global level. You can also do the same with Radeon image sharpening feature. By now you may know that I love comparing and spotting changes, so I took some shots of before and after so you can embrace this marvelous feature. Let's go. As you saw, the difference is really awesome and I'm so happy to have it up and running. It's a true magic. Image quality is not blurry at all as before. It could even match a true 1280 pixel. And you can enhance it further by using some sharpness in Radeon image sharpening. What's also cool is that in this way, you can play AAA titles such as Cyberpunk 2077 at way higher FPS without using upscalers and still get awesome FPS. As you can see, it's over 40 FPS at ultra settings. And even going to low preset, you can easily achieve over 60 FPS without a sweat. It's a really game changer. I really hope you found this guide useful and was able to get it working. If you enjoyed this video, please support TechOSword by subscribing. It would greatly help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.